Good morning, everyone. So, how was your day? Lodi celebration कैसे हुआ? It was too cold on the Lodi और मकर संक्रांति in both days. जब हमने लोहड़ी सेलिब्रेट करी तो उस दिन बहुत सर्दी थी और हमने बोन फायर की थी. एंड हु टीच यू अबाउट बोन फायर? पल्लवी मैम ने जब विंटर सीजन करवाया था तब आपको बताया था कि हम बोन फायर करते हैं व्हेन वी फील वेरी कोल्ड. तो हमने लोहड़ी वाले दिन बोन फायर की और मकर संक्रांति वाले दिन भी हमने एंजॉय किया, क्योंकि इंडियन में मकर संक्रांति वाले दिन हमारा न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट होता है. वैसे तो 1 जनवरी को बोलते हैं, बट वी हिंदूज पीपल आवर न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट ऑन मकर संक्रांति. ओके, फाइन. सो again, come to the point. Our today class is English class. So, you all know we were doing this. So, you will read all this page except this last line. Read it again and again, at least 5 times. Loudly. How you will read? You will read like this. B at the bed, F at the fed, L at the led. You have to speak the sound very clearly. Okay, after that you have done this activity on this page. You have, now today we will do this activity and this activity. But don't forget to read this. ये रीड करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज यू नो मैंने सब बेबीज को बताया आई विल टेक द डिक्टेशन ऑन लाइव क्लासेस. लाइव क्लासेस में मैम डिक्टेशन लेगी. सो मस्ट रीड ऑल द साउंड्स, सारी साउंड्स. ये नहीं कि ई की साउंड ही करनी है. मस्ट रीड ए साउंड, ओ साउंड, आई साउंड एंड यू साउंड, ऑल वॉवल्स. ए ई आई ओ यू. Okay, fine, let's come. Now today we will do page number 20. ये page number 20 today we will do. Or what we will do? Circle the odd one out in the rhyming word given below. Means जो यहाँ पे ये leg, leg लिखा है, leg के यहाँ पे कुछ rhyming words दिए हुए हैं. Let's see which word is wrong. Which word is not rhyming word? Leg, like leg. This word is leg. Leg, leg, egg, peg, at. It's not match with it. So this is wrong. So I will circle this. Next word is egg, bag. Now it's a rhyming word. These 3 are matched with each other. Leg, peg, bag. The word is hand. This color word is hand. Hand, at, wet is not matched with hand. So I will circle this. Hen, hen, pen, pen, ten. These are 3 rhyming words. Hen, pen, ten. Wed, wed means शादी बताया था ना मैम ने. Wed, red is matched with it. B at bed, match with it. J at jet, oh, it's not matching with these 3 words. So I am just going to circle this. Now like this you will do this activity. Our next activity is write the rhyming words below each picture. मतलब ये जो pictures हैं, we have 3 pictures and names are written here. Like this, pen. Pen जैसे rhyming words we will write here. Pen. Or who lives in the den? Lion. So we will write here den. बहुत सारे आदमी होते हैं तो men. ten, and hen. So, pen, den, men, ten, hen is completed. Now we will do this. Bed, 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 red, wed, लेड मीन्स मैम ने बताया था ना कि लाइन में खड़े हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड लेड. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज फेड. Fed. Next word is jet. Now next word is if Ram met with Shyam. Met. Ram met with Shyam. And how we catch the fish and butterfly? With the help of net. Net. Now book of set. Set. And get. Jet, met, net, set, get. Okay, fine. Now our next activity is fill in the missing letter. So what we will do? We have this picture here and we have two letters here. And what you will do? You will fill this circle and complete the word. This picture is pen. So what is missing here? Pen. So we will write here a. This picture is net. T. T is missing. So I am writing T here. This is bed. This is bed. So what is missing here? This circle is this portion is blank. So we have to write the word here. Bed. This picture is hen and this circle is missing. There is no letter written here. Hen. And this is egg and gives us protein. Sunday ho ya Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे. The word is egg. Egg. And this is leg. We have two legs. Animal has four legs. Leg. And this is the den of lion. Den. And it's a jet. Just fly in the air. Jet. So you will do these two activities in your book, but don't forget to read these words.